Good afternoon, friends. This is my first topic in this group, and I am going to discuss a very different thing. You might not have heard this topic. I'm going to talk about diluting the importance of toss in limited over cricket. And this is a sort of advice to the lawmaking bodies of cricket. Now, what you can do to minimize the importance of toss or dilute the importance of toss. One thing we cannot do is we cannot change the basic structure. That is, one team has to bat first, another team has to bat second. That is, after the toss, the captain winning the toss will decide which team is going to bat first or field first. So we cannot change this basic structure. The team batting first will have to have the pressure of setting the target, that is how much is enough to win the match, and the second team which will bat will have the pressure of chasing the target. So we cannot change this. What we can change? We can change the pitch conditions, the environmental condition, the lighting conditions, and the dew possibilities, the possibilities of dew factor. What we can do in one day international match? If we put aside the commercial benefits, the commercial profits, we can have the one day international match completely in the daytime. Then there will not be much difference in the lighting condition and the dew. Second thing, in the T20 international matches, we can either have it in the daytime or the night time. So the light condition are the same, dew condition are almost the same. In these two situations, we can provide both the teams with almost the equal facilities, equal environment, pitch condition, light conditions, and the dew factor. Apart from that, I think that new format should come in cricket. The team should be given two innings as in test matches. In a one day international matches, if you ask the first team to bat first for 22 overs, then the second team will bat for 20 overs, then third innings will be of the first team and the fourth innings will be of the second team, and the runs will be calculated by adding the runs of the two innings. In this condition, we can minimize or reduce, dilute the importance of toss. So we cannot, first of all, we cannot change the basic structure, that is one team has to bat first, second team has to bat second. We cannot change it. Second thing, what we can change is to provide the same batting condition or the fielding condition to both the teams. Third thing that ICC can do is to have a new format of one day international matches, to have four innings in the same day, and the match will be of 40 over or 50 over, whatever they like. So 20 20 20 20, both the teams will play 40 overs and one after the other. So these are the two recommendation. No, these are my opinion. This is what I feel, this is what I think, and this is what I want. But ICC can think over this. At least in a gentleman's game, in a game of stats, in a game of data, a thing like toss should not decide the match. It should be with the bat and the ball. So ICC should think over this seriously. Thank you very much.